Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got 2015 Pete 389 factory built cat glider kit. Built with a 6NZ single turbo cat, 13 speed. It's just had a fresh engine overhaul done at Peterbilt, 3 years warranty. We're gonna do a full walk around for you, show you exactly what we got here. Just got this in yesterday, so you'll see her basically in her work clothes. Let's go. Air slide fifth wheel, 4-bag, PACCAR air ride suspension, all aluminum wheels. Got some rust on that rear end chunk, pretty common. New brakes, none really, no rust really on the frame rail or inner structure there. Does have a Gardner Denver blower on it, previous customer. So this one's going to need a fender if you want it to be. Super nice. Pretty clean inside. 754 total on the miles. Like I said, it was just overhauled at Peterbilt. Paperwork, full warranty. It's not all the way up to operating temp yet, but it's under warranty, so it won't matter as much there to show you that. But you can see it's got great, even in this medium temp, great low side and high side, full pressure. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.